schools and so forth, do you think that would work in other parts of the world?
Absolutely, yes. Yeah, totally. I don't see why not. I mean, this is a global need. It's happening right now. I think it right now is also it's the heyday. It's the right way to do this. Electric cars are now known as being viable. In fact, as is very often the case with technology, America is leading the whole industry from grassroots like this through to companies like Tesla to the battery design solar technology. More so than America, yeah, I think many countries would benefit from this. I mean, for me, I've travelled all the way from Vietnam to do this course, and really it was the only sensible choice in terms of time frame and the course being personalised for what we required.
What do you think of the whole novelty